The 17th December 2020 marks a new beginning once again in the life of Aibor Nongset, the son of Sri A.L. Hek, Health Minister of Meghalaya. This day marks the 30th birthday of this young man who had celebrated his special day with the children of the A.W. Thomas Girls' Home at Jayaulum Santiu, Shillong. While speaking on the occasion, Sri A.L. Hek said that for the past 20 years, his family members had always celebrated their birthdays in such places to enable others to also remember their own birth date, which he thinks is very important and crucial, especially as far as a person's career is concerned.
Niju pulong hakum gini ki jaka namar ba pun bahagi jaka ke ba ki brio ki kun dari ki begi begi ki brio kim jukan ma we kal ka jong sikha kita ka ki pulong ki sikha ke jongi ki pengkel ma ki sikha jong kiru kana ma kiru ki nyo ban bo e ka tarik mo ga diet jong sikha la jong.
Those present on the occasion were family members of Sri A.L. Hek, religious leaders, residents of the A.W. Thomas Girls' Home, other invitees and members of the press.